Hello, if you are new here, my name is Madison and this is Mad's Makeup. If you are not new, then welcome back. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be using some of my eye makeup that I tend to forget about and push in the back of my drawer. It's all really good makeup, it's just stuff I don't reach for as often, and I'm going to be using this makeup to create this bronzy brown eyeshadow look that I have on right now. This look is perfect for holidays, so if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching the video. I'm starting out by taking the M.A.C paint pot in shade Soft Ochre and using that to prime my lid and just pouncing that all over with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going into the PIXI by Petra Matte Cocoa Endless Shade Stick, and I'm going to be using this to prep my lid for that dark brown shadow. This just allows for a little bit more pigment and vibrancy to the dark brown. These kinds of eye pencils can be used for any type of look. They're just really good at avoiding any creasing and just giving a little bit extra pop of pigment. Now I'm going into the ABH Norvina palette in the shade Volatile and packing this all over that brown that I placed on the lid before. This is just going to increase the pigment and make sure that it sets that eye stick that we used earlier to prep the lid. Now taking the shade Base from the Norvina palette, I'm just going to be setting above that shadow to make sure we can blend out with there being no patchiness, and back into that shade Volatile to blend out the shadow that we had placed before so there's no harsh lines. Taking a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to be using shade Volatile to blend out my lower lash line so it meets the upper corner of my lid. Now throwing on some brown liner for my upper and bottom waterline. Now for my favorite step, I'm going into the Vibrance Cosmetics Jelly Shadow in shade 3, and I'm going to be placing this all over my lid. It's such a gorgeous shimmery shadow shade. It's perfect as a topper for any kind of brown or bronzy look that you're wanting to do. Great for the holidays. Just make sure to let it dry down before you open your eyes because it can crease and will transfer throughout the lid. Now going back into the Norvina palette, I'm going to be taking shade Dazzling, and I'm using this to blend out that shimmer shade that's on the lid, so that way there's no harsh lines and it goes seamlessly from the brown on the lid to the brown up in the crease. Now going into the Pop Beauty Dusk Delux palette into the shade I'm pointing to right here, I'm using that to highlight my inner corner and taking this glitter shade to add a little bit of a topper to that inner corner as well. Now brushing off any glitter fallout and moving on to the brows. Brows are done off camera, so let's move on to lashes, and I'm using Azeredo Cosmetics in style Legendary and just getting those all flexible so they go on well, popping on the glue, letting that dry, and placing those on my lid and lining those up with my lashes and pinching the two together so you can't tell a difference, and using tweezers to make sure they're aligned properly and pinched together even more. And to finish off the look, I'm going to be using some brown liner to go over the lash line. That is going to be the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and I hope you all have a safe and wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!